Hi, I'm Patrick and I'm the CIO for ASEAN Equities across the region. I know it is perfectly normal for us to be worried about our current investments today. Volatility is high, markets are falling, our investments are looking poor at the moment, but having said all that, we are here to offer you our insights to the markets and what you need to do in this kind of volatile situation. Don't sell at the bottom and buy at the top. Market volatility is the new norm, but I still think that we can weather through all this if you have the right strategy. The simple answer to this is no. Why? Because at the end of the day, markets go up and go down. In this current juncture, it looks likely that market continues to go down, but we are of the view that if you have the right asset allocation, you're able to weather through this volatility. So essentially what I'm saying here is that you need to look at your asset allocation in terms of your investments currently and making sure that first of all, you are diversified, you have the right asset allocation, and obviously you need to partner the right asset management company to invest for your future savings. The key answer to that is it depends. But history has shown that whatever that has come down very quickly normally does rebound quite sharply as well. If you were to use the China A-share market as a signpost of the first country that had the COVID-19 cases and to recover the first as well, it is now also showing signs that the economy is also starting to stabilize, the stock market is starting to rebound, and in fact, it is starting to behave like a normal market, recovering from its initial sell-off in early February and being one of the best performing stock markets in the world. So if that will be the signpost that we're looking out for, hopefully in the near term, we should see a gradual recovery in global equity markets once we see a stabilization in terms of the number of COVID-19 cases globally.
Hi, my name is Jesse. I'm responsible for the fixed income strategy across Southeast Asia for Principal. Similarly, we do continue to expect the Malaysian bond market to be supported by a low yielding environment as well as the ample liquidity that is in the financial system. However, we also see credit risk rising due to the challenges faced by businesses from the COVID-19 pandemic and also a low oil price environment. In such an environment, we do believe that the appropriate strategy is to employ a low duration or low volatility portfolio, as well as overweighing on high grade credits in the portfolio. We believe that this strategy will still provide you an attractive risk reward opportunity for the remaining parts of 2020. In reality, if timing the market was that easy, everyone will be doing it. The reason why timing the market is not easy is because asset prices behave in an irrational manner. Now, on that same token, it is equally probable for you to be better off if you maintain your current portfolio. What's best for you is really an understanding of what your risk tolerance is, your goals, and when you need your money for your retirement. Now, to this end, we do believe that the fixed income market will continue to provide you or generate a very stable and sustainable return for your portfolio.
My closing remark to all of you out there is this: do not, let me repeat, do not let the current turmoil derail your financial plans for the future. Think about investments as a diversified portfolio. Think about diversification in terms of yield, more assets into a global diversified portfolio. Think about the fact that you need to invest for the future. Think about if you are moderate risk, for example, you should be thinking about REIT-related kind of products, fixed income products or balanced income funds, which are either locally managed or globally diversified managed. And if you're a little more aggressive, then think about global REITs, China equity funds, Asia income funds. All of this should be part and parcel of your total asset allocation. But most importantly, don't forget this: stick with us, plan with us, we are Principal.